Wunti uke. Unyanya coffee o munchepe. Afe no cho so oh eyi da no number no born in term do ntia to boss. Wa ku bi frere no for you. Minim so no kro be ka se obi a. Kwakuma soma se omfa wayi ni mra kra ne ade ade a. So je enra bo me number ne tentem pa o na. So na ya to boss ne bo number no why na. Obi tra oti. And I'm say hey ko ni hey. Ni na da wan se. Na etiefo ene ansana meto aso akoma anim no. Mami fast that can say pa ma MTN for ya dey na. In fact, omo shock me. On behalf of my good self, I want to say a very big thank you to MTN. Moi muti Ofie Kwanso pa na de on be kaya and che bia me MTN fu nya issue bi. Adwen. Ti mi drive pa ni ade na the MTN for INT. Say bibia be fa. Uza me besi ne na mini mobile money o. But because of the MTN for INT, acha by Monday there, me start yako mobile money. Me register. MTN no. They say me no money problem bia. I solve bibia we. And in fact, MTN are shocking me. Big ups to all the managers are more MTN. And the entire, staff are more MTN, Mama menu. No credit okay there. Mama menu. The betucha mam why? Say be fine. Many more ne ko ai. The more I call about Ofie Kwanso media so Adom 106.3 FM. Sabri ya kwa kopem sebebo enumre no nsia. Ofie Kwanso with me, Jerry Justice. As down come production team no Papa Bills, African, Akete. We said the omo aso aye hye no. Enye easy. Pressure be a double so we no. Enye easy. Wadi na ye. Yakoye ni. Ebo no nsia pe na ye de wasi na fe enumre no nsia ka se bo ato aso. Na me patcho ene mi bie phone lines na ma enipa 5. Mi bia ma nipa 5. E wo fa di kan ni radio aye so. 5 callers. Eti u pese oba so a ene ma ho ya pa. They say season na ye room no e pressure season. Eti bibia e sharp. Na we na de me ye no say Christmas na adu. Enti enipa 5 me mam opportunity patcho tie de enti am se frɛ no. Offer na that special somebody. A osum boma opa no. Why we should Merry Christmas. Enipa 5. Enipa 5 pe. 0302216561 0302216562 0268499347. Memma rent free and then so Coke be Santa ebeba so. Omo ewini enra no ene omo abejom hamper. He ade enu mudu pa me ye presentation na me som na me nyom atwa picture. Awurade. Hamper say go yi. Na obia ba no 2 nyese one hamper na oji o. Because said the idea anything say oba program no so a onipa ko na obeto Christmas carol no de amano no obebo ni din. Na what dedicated the amano enti wo re select so we wini a Coke for ma wo hamper. No nipa ko na obo ni din a oto sa Christmas carol no man no ono so waje hamper ba ko de surprise so onipa ko no. Enti e double yo emu ye bruta. Omo wini enra na bejom hamper say wie yi. And then so you better also be activating phone lines no later on. Now our friend any of the Christmas carols no just say yeah brofum no wa betimi dia ba okrom kasa mu ato ama akakoma yi a you'll be a winner now so they call him say all right yan call ahoma no so na shall say for friends is here. Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Roger.
Me patro for saying
Tina love it to say
Adom. Great. Me patro onipa ba ko pe Osumboma opa oda wakoma so. Person wish no. Merry Christmas.
Oh, okay. Ekoma mi pastor. Reverend Remo Aftenati, aka Zago Papa.
Okay.
Amen. Mana fichapa.
Amen. Oda wase pa why nyamisha onso ye mo afisha pa ni bisa. Yen trust you for your next caller. Hello, good afternoon.
Hello.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon, Jerry.
Yes, boss.
Na abom today.
Me pacho nyame adom boko.
Charlie, I do one question. Where Kobe.
Okay.
Kobe back up our call at the
You, Kobe it you.
Charlie, we special duties radio. Come mommy and some wife.
Wife. I love that.
The wife.
Wife. What's wife your friend is saying? What's your friend saying?
Mrs. Akuti. Ama Akuti.
Okay, you. What I was saying.
And they always know why she get to afford the Sure. The piano, and you're so surprising you. The piano surprising
you. Yeah, say. Yeah, that's a pa. Nyamisha, also your official panibisa. Next caller, not just said you're tossing me and son. Hello,
good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
But I'm a DB family, make us a free customers.
That special somebody or some boma papa so wishing Merry Christmas.
Maybe ma me dieta, Mr. Justice
Mr.
Constructions Limited.
Mr.
Justice Amo.
And also a also a
oh, okay. You. And then Mr. Amuda was the power. Why?
Okay.
It wants to show Merry Christmas. Why? Two more calls to go near DSC. It's your birthday today, Napo. Or Winterman Air Condition and Refrigeration Services. Watermark Community 4. Flats no more Bugunu ground on frozen pussy. Kaiser Flat on Community 4, Kaiser Flat. Napo, enjoy your day. Hello, good afternoon.
Hello.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Me patrol your frost saying.
Patrol your friend me Annie. Very Tama.
You. Me patrol onipa ben baako pe ena ope se obe wish no Merry Christmas.
Patrol me kunu baako pe onu ye nipa osumbu mami. O Germany.
Okay.
Or the Frank Beggar Adom me don pa.
You.
Ya be frano. Na me wish no happy Christmas.
You. Or that was the pa why nyami sha once you wish you Merry Christmas the mo champagne. After before last one. Na e DSC. Happy birthday Uncle Emma Mrs. Agnes Neza. Otema. Happy birthday Kesepa na koma mommy. Nyame onshao na oma ahoden kama pa ompomunyo den saada ne da nyina we efi wo ma ene wo nana no nyina your children and then your grandchildren na say yeah marketing managers ne baako ne maami o na Mr. Neza Osan ye me elder wa sorry and the elder Alfred his son Neza oni ni nuanu na all the Neza family omu na we show well as you celebrate your birthday today Mrs. Agnes Neza Otema mommy nyamisha happy birthday to you Lady Donko African what to bomb. Yes, Lady Doki. I know what for don't know. I feel as how. Lady Doki. Nenum na udie. Fa homano.
na rade wo mo awo na bibi anye fine shoba etia wie ni say ye no ye de asda ke se be my proud sponsors as usual omo na ebo ayen e ma ofedi kan odwumedie so dane den na ye de ehihye so na me fan chie mu ohwampa ne afisha panchi a Emma Prophet Sefas Kwame Pega Tamaklu Waking Yoke Ministry International Papa Michao Ewie Nyamisha Wate ya wasofo na fofo bebre but ebinumu ya de pa oh dodo na kai empaibo mu ne ade aba unse nya empaibo nko anso na ya na eko na action bi o enusmu ye pa se papa ya hwedi na ono ase ojari come for your Christmas gift and I'm so for I dare dodo oh enya empaibo nko no kai me bo mama but ohun ta fe asunso e se oye mi show Prophet Sefas Kwame Pega Tamaklu. You do all. And now, Pastor Augustine Smart. Papa, we was there be Jay meet me, Tremor Brunia, no swansa. Except meet me do Brunia. Fire the pa. And I'm saying, oh, Pastor, what the other me bro so do? Or say, glory is God's. Not to say, we pray for enough money to show more kindness. We are called to serve. And I'm Pastor Wakasa. Buy1on1.com. And why and on my diamond. You're the Ghana's biggest vehicle fair. Eshishaso. Me pacho wa opekato, wa waka opeso ton. Opeso swap car. And now cry your bear auction. Your bear auction cast. Eti you bet me aba. Going on. Now they can't go fear. Yeah, they bro. From the 22nd to the 23rd of December, our Trade Fair Center. Yeah, parade a wide variety of cars for you to choose from. Fresh Sia, Nejimunchimu Equetri 0266 637 111. A face 0302 300 472. Chechemu question so bet me call www.buy1on1.com bet me so share cars ne spare parts out where why ye to nyina so na what target back what I say DBS Industries Limited so na my DBS roofing sheet Colorlink Plus roofing sheet pre-coated roofing sheet alusin content omu kwani ye pa AZ150 they are called market now between AZ30 and AZ50 the sent here last pa board down so afibo but to be an amount 20-year warranty e was so was I enjoy 5% discount into share kwan was Spinters Road no so see na ebejo there 0543 286 637 afi 0577 619 102 yeah no roof expert no Guarantee Trust Bank Ghana Limited Suguswa editor man for him say nay simple banking for every Ghanaian and on cost convenient banking papa and we nyasa wo ba nan akwa kopie mu banking ho no ansa watimi bank na din sa wo so now you can do everything on your mobile phone and also where you phone about *737#. It doesn't matter the network you use with them with be account for our mobile phone so with me link your account with your mobile money wallet for easy transfers pay now per day. Friend for further assistance I know 050-140-9490 afi 050-144-9481 Guarantee Trust Bank. Wouldn't you rather bank with us? Your first day, your mark Kojak Pharma Limited. I'm on the original pro code. I don't know when you be na a 2 a year flu a new code. I say now what the whole come up. I'm going to assign my Kojak F and Kojak P toothpaste and a Kojak F and Kojak P mouthwash and a Kojak sensitive toothbrush. Wako baby, I several drink. Well chilled the pie. Swish. Osenye efenfemo ade ehyin so the same thing ade the pie sweet pie no so no the same thing me pacho use Kojak F toothpaste and then the mouthwash. Ebeko. What the no cry the and yes ya na fem keke but to da cry ya now to say pains pan e wo cinema. To da out choose ya unse moja ne nanamu ane ade a. Use Kojak P toothpaste and the mouthwash continuously for 4 weeks. Later now I switch it to Kojak F. Bibia be fine. Ope best result and up say yen 10 man party and now we use Kojak sensitive toothbrush no e dey aka ho. Where we Obenya bi ewe pharmacy shops I would nyem do door pan or kind she drug lane on a Kojak farmer war. Friend was 0260 870 780 afi 0249 209 920. Transition the funeral people. And you may go back with Jan and Naso Pa. Who cannot question premise because no be a shabby said, move from where you man are more you one day and I'm I have a fair face and Sunny BBT. Correct pa. My funeral has a day a shabby a moon a tomb a cosino. Obi craig a nya dia in a wedding. A bar must jay home blimpa at Nefe. Jay. Yeah, ma a year on you walk rise. I yakono. Africans who share ampa transition for. Oh, Obama who just I simple.
Only took my love, Baba. Only took my love. Let to marry.
When I brand new or him Messi. Testify.
You want to testify?
Brand new or him Messi. I have baby or the afano. Mommy, oh, the Ayana make a baby uncle for tears. Oh, no, yeah, there, oh, yeah, there. We pray for grace. We pray for long life. Oh, near dear, but you can't live for 200 years. Man, you can't. Oh, now, Yame Tons are fair. As you Timisha Crocro, which may fair. A honor transition bamu. No, I may your knife a fair, na I am lovely. Oh, Crawford Ben Neltons will be a filly. Na a tear bush and Moon Park no crana who can crab was any new yam. Oh, it is a check when Hacho, Atomic Road, no so one more. Honey, your policies in the plans P now, I bet me don't want bedroom say, you'll be bad now, this should be tough for one. Yet me, you know, which in your boy, yepa. Transition, the funeral people, and a member of the enterprise group.
Not until you show them I testify. Testify, you are good. Testify, you are kind. Testify, you are great. Testify.
Jerry Meteor live, I want me taxi move. This is your friend, Ensemble Queen, aka online shopping. I don't know. Oh, but two bomb should Ensemble Queen. Cause we're here, you. Tawana Kase Jumia, the online shop you can trust us.
Describe your powers, not until you show them I testify. You have taken away my shame, giving me a new name. I give you the glory, I'll testify. Who can fathom your greatness? Describe your powers, not until you show them I testify. Jesus, I testify, you are good. Testify, you are kind. I testify. Many people wonder why. Many people ask me why you love me so much. Many people wonder why. Many people ask me why you love me so much. Many people wonder why you love me so much. You are kind. Testify, you are great.
That's the new one coming in from Ohima Messi. Testify. Ohima system. If I try Friday, you walk Kakalika Plaza. I was sprinters. A honey a day Adom pop party in Ebrewo. Yes, so they show Brunya Nasi. I don't know. Branberry Proco Papa. Some pepper card your bra. Oberry Guat. Not just a goat, no. And now fish. Just a baby out, baby. The open DB and never available. It's Friday, watch now. The Jamudin Ding. Ewa Kakalika Plaza. Sprinters Road. One shop filling station, I was Sprinters, no. Right after Coca-Cola roundabout, no. Ofie Coca-Cola roundabout, ne pena shell ne ono ultra shell na. Hora na Kakalika Plaza. A hot shit dread. If you watch now, you're telling me what then if you know me and say, Quapim 7 1 midnight. You're telling me. Today. Miguswa me recommend this Cerelac Ediama. About time you know, say mon kai na mon tobi mama mano. Make sure you buy all the variants, no. It is Obano on Perry or Beperry. Obu okra opening nabi. Oh, and so Macron the numia one way as a oni anakan ho. The bia wife bizarre. Darling. In there, it was never di. You should see big way. Darling, in there, it was never di. Oh, Bengue. Every day, Bengue. Oh, since I'm on Friday tasty mom, and they your Cerelac maize, Cerelac rice, Cerelac wheat, Cerelac millet. Soon you want Cerelac biscuity, and you want Cerelac fruit pieces. Yeah, no, containing 3 main fruits: apple, banana, and orange. Shannon so says Cerelac also any more Fred Miania, containing at least 50% of the daily iron needs above in here. A sign containing vitamins B to say A, B, and D, and our minerals B to say zinc and iodine. Yes, supporting normal brain and cognitive development. And a sign so what B for this BL. Yeah, I don't know, supporting more from our natural defenses day by day. So go for yours. No more about soon feeling you right. Yeah, baba. Me patrol 24th year, baby. Oh, Massa Temaya this year. Adom High Life Dance Fiesta. Said the Afibia de Brewono. Now, feed you a basso, our unique court. Yeah, what my community 9. If you open now, call Obidimu Sorino. Wow. Ye Keshia, Dada Kedi Jam, Kwabena Jam, Kwesi P Jam, now some for Jam, KK for Su Jam. How that day? How like be a guy? Masa fina ni Obramian Yenny, damaging 50 pe. Yeah, 50 cities pe. No bodum. Na yen can na say. Odobi ado. Odon you papa bi, yefa bi na dan ho. What I say? Maybe there's something you need to buy. Say be best some Ofie. Maybe appliance be you use to check. And they would me don sabon sunchen pum zana power naba. Enye system kotofo for preco. High sense bronya don't come in koso. Omwatete omo niamani nyina so. Yes, heavily discounted prices. Say a year television set, refrigerators, chest freezers, air conditioners, sound systems, gas cookers, washing machines, mobile phones. And yes, small home appliances nyina. Yatete nyina so. Quite appliance. Into the open one by Joe there. Full. Yes, on your mouth, 5 years manufacturer defect warranty. It's not saying product, no, papa. Promo way at Tumua Kopim, the 8th of January 2019. 0302 550000. Now yen showroom locations no. Nebra now so bejo there for coffee. High sense. Everyday prices for everyday people. And Chaso Konkoma Blue Rose Estate, my phone, Blue Rose Limited. My idea, somewhere to me, see a down Krama Kumakosa a pim 1,000. Yes, 1, 2, 3, and 4 bedroom houses. Now, on my current estate, no, Blue Gardens Estate. Yeah, walk as well a Ben Budum. Now, as part of celebrating their 1,000th housing unit, you know, launching 100 for 100 promotion. We are pretty simple. Blue Rose Limited, in partnership with Republic Bank, offer 100 of 2-bedroom houses for public sector workers. And the cost of the building, you know, yeah, Timu 24,000 every month. They are chance and there be into ya. This is a promotion. Oh, I saw your public sector worker. 1. So Timmy deposit a minimum of 20% of the cost of the building by the 31st of December 2018. Now, Oberto Dino through Republic Bank on mortgage. Yeah, no, 15 to 20 years repayment. When you want sending a WhatsApp and our friend, one number is Mubia, so 050-133-2455. And our face 050-132-6968. Now your mom come on. Sandy, I see a chase group. Or say, I am talking to my mom on video in Ghana. Say, Sandy, USCC. Or say, on the mammy born come on phone, so I feel suddenly the mammy strict. The mammy say, oh, dear, ready now. Benque. Hey, I'm Paul. Everyone be sano. Darling, and that it is a bazy. Oh, Benque. Auntie Charity, what's a mark 25? I have been crying. That chance won't come here. Sandy Papa, Mr. Festus, I see you. Greetings and come on now. The patron says, Uber, Ama, a comedy, I am very simple. What you fear? Now I requested for Uber. Baby, I'll be packing one way to them. Or ban driver in baby or they will call that. Into a calculated fare, and also you are aware of the fare that into there's no way so we be Uber come. Because can ban all details of the vehicle. Any driver nanka sounds any driver any picture bibiani adia. O see them for what they did. And yes, on the patchy. It's patcho I have for Uber and your how near money be a very affordable so. Put me to you with cash and I say card. Now call baby. Simple and yet Adom TV 9 lessons and carols Basso 2018 edition. Hey, 20 CDs spell. Yes, for adults and then 10 CDs. Maframano. No more swaba. Basso National Theatre. Yeah, 2 shows. First show no air from 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. Second show no air from 8 p.m. to 11 p.m. On Saturday, the 22nd of December, Meche, Memende di anymore Ebeya, and a Jumedino Ebasso. Ebeye dekeke say. Anutofo bebre. Mati bebre din so mo babat. Ebinum so tejira omo baby omo de yemo din kra. Ebeye de bruta. So we are inviting you and you to come join us at the National Theatre this Saturday. Na yemfa Adom TV 9 Lessons and Carols 2018. It's going to be fantastic. Happy birthday, Uncle Louisa. Oh, Trust Clinic, Tema. Community 2. Hooray! Happy birthday to you, dear. Metro Alewa, bro. What is Jay, please wish my mom a belated happy birthday for me. Her name is Madam Comforter Siedu, aka Antiaba of Tema Community 2. We feel great, we are finching. We give glory to the Lord. Jean Patrick Fairbrand Society asema ene wie ye di tu ye hofo ewo Ofie Kwanso dwumedi so Adom 106.3 FM Patrick ma renfi ene Coke Bisanta baso den Coca-Cola for Adaroma. Yesterday it was very interesting. Na man for tonyomuini ade. You know, the usual Christmas carols in English, it just say